Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful brushwork craft ideas. So friends, let's start today video viewers. So first idea is patchwork handbag. Use different fabric paste to make a colorful handbag. Mix print like flower, denim and plain cloth, perfect for daily use or gifting. Patchwork cushion cover. So friends, weavers, join small fabric square to create a stylish cushion cover. You can make pattern like square, triangle or random mix, create for home decor. And friends, next try is weavers. Patchwork blanket. Add classic idea. Use old cloth or leftover fabric to make a warm blanket. It's look traditional and full memories. And friends, viewers, so next is friends, patchwork table runner. Make a beautiful table runner using colorful patches. Add lace or crochet border for extra beauty. So I hope you liked my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest